Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru, and today we are checking out Vivo's brand new launch, the Vivo V50e. This isn't just another good looking phone. Vivo is bringing out serious camera chops, next gen display tech and AI powered features that actually matters. And yes, it's India only device with dedicated wedding portrait studio mode. Let's break it all down. First of all, coming up to the design and the build, the V50e is a design first device and it shows with just 7.39 mm thickness, a quad curved AMOLED body and stunning colors like sapphire blue and pearl white. It's easily one of the slimmest and most premium looking phone in its segment. Well, now you're looking at the display. Yes, this is a quad curved AMOLED display, India's slimmest quad curved AMOLED display, and it's beauty. And it's a 6.77 inch panel with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 4500 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're outdoors in sunlight or binge watching at night, this screen just delivers bright, smooth, and immersive from edge to edge. But the main focus on the phone is the camera. The camera system on the Vivo V50 is really flexes. Rear camera comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS. Flagship level image clarity, sharp low light shots, but what truly sets it apart is the exclusive wedding portrait studio mode. This includes wedding style LUTs, color preset for wrist tones, film camera mode for the cinematic vintage vibe. Plus, with the Sony's multifocal portrait system, you get 3 pro level focal lengths, perfect for the portraits with natural depth and compression. Now coming to the front camera, there are no compromises as well. 50 megapixel IF eye autofocus group selfie camera is given with 92-degree wide field of view that supports 4K video recording as well. So great for the vloggers, content creator, or just high quality video calls. Now this phone also claims the durability. Yes, despite being ultra slim, the Vivo V50e doesn't compromise on durability. IP68 and 69 rated dust plus water resistance, full protection from the water. Underwater photography is also given on the phone. Scott extension glass on display that is 50% tougher than regular glasses. Internal corner cushioning to protect against accidental drop. So this phone is meant to last long. While coming on the performance part, under the hood you get the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. It is a 4nm chipset that's efficient yet powerful. 8GB physical RAM plus 8GB extended RAM. UFS 3.1 storage, can run 27 plus background apps without breaking a sweat. Whether it's multitasking or mobile gaming, it handles everything smoothly. On the battery part, this phone comes with 5600 mAh battery with 90-watt flash charge support. That's 0 to 50% in 20 minutes and full charge in just 48 minutes. Plus, Vivo claims the battery stays healthy for over 4.5 years thanks to advanced battery management. On the audio part also, this phone comes with a dual stereo speaker that is packed with a 300 volume boost, crystal clear, loud and immersive sound, whether you're gaming, watching movies or on calls. Well, on such a phone that is packed for the performance also should have a high efficiency smart cooling system. So this phone is packed with a large cooling area with 10 temperature sensor. Even during heavy gaming session, the phone stays cool and consistent. How we can forget the AI features? A lot of AI features are packed up on this phone like AI Eraser 2.0, AI Screen, AI Circle to Search, AI Transcript and lot more. On the software part, this phone comes with the ColorOS 15.0 and based on Android 15. And Vivo also claims 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. So this phone is definitely future proof. Now coming on to the final verdict, the Vivo V50e is not just a slim and stylish phone. It's complete all-rounder with a serious focus on portrait photography, a fantastic display, flagship level camera features and AI tools that make life easier. For anyone looking for a premium portrait shooter without spending a fortune, the Vivo V50e is absolutely worth considering. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe Unboxing Guru for more in-depth videos and no-nonsense tech reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.